台灣話第4課之3
Taiwanese. Lesson 4, Part 3.
文法
Grammar. The title of the dialogue.
伊的筆予我
He gave me his pen. Gives us several points of grammar, about which more will be said in this lesson. 1.
伊的
Is the possessive case and means his. 2.
筆
Is what would be called in English the direct object, which in Taiwanese often precedes the verb and the indirect object. 3.
予
Is the past tense in its simplest form, it means gave. We know from the context that this is past tense. We will learn other ways of forming the past tense. 4.
我
Is second tone changed to seventh?
我
A personal pronoun immediately following,
予
at the end of a phrase, clause, sentence is an exception to the ordinary rule for tone changes.
你的筆請你予我寫
Please give me your writing instrument. A. Note that in these constructions, Taiwanese prefers to express the verb or infinitive more often than it need be expressed in English. B. Note the placing of the direct object
筆
before the indirect object.
我
Using the terms of English grammar, we have the formula direct object plus
予
plus indirect object plus verb or infinitive. A.
冊予你看
Give him the book to read. B.
茶予你啉
Here's some tea for you. C.
錢予你用
Here's some money for you. Note that the subject
我
can be omitted. 2. Past tense. We know from the context that the following sentences are past tense. A.
伊來台中讀冊
He came to Taichung to study. B.
老牧師娘去台北
Mrs.
老
the minister's wife, went to Taipei. 3.
什麼人啥人
A.
伊是什麼人
Do not say.
這是什麼人伊是張信社
Who's he? Who's this? This is Mr.
張
B.
你的冊買予啥人買予你老師我的冊無買予什麼人
To whom will you give your books? I'll give them to Teacher Lee. I won't give books to anyone. 4.
創做
A. To ask, what is he doing? In the sense of, what action is he performing at the moment? What is he up to? What is he hanging around for? People commonly ask.
伊在創啥伊在寫字伊在食飯伊在啉茶伊在看冊伊無在創啥你在創啥貨恁在創啥伊在創什麼因在創啥物我在食飯阮在讀冊陳先生在看冊林太太在啉咖啡王牧師在寫字阮甲因攏無在創啥阿星無在創啥是無阿星
Is not doing anything, is he?
是
No, he's not doing anything.
毋是伊在讀冊
Yes, he's studying. B.
伊在做啥物
The same sense as.
創
It may also mean, what does he do for a living?
伊在做啥物
What does he work?
伊在做老师，
He is a teacher.
伊在做牧师，
He is a minister.
伊在做修女，
She went away to be a nun.
伊在做修士，
He went to become a brother. 5.
用，用，
This word means to use. To use a pencil to write with means to write with a pencil, hence the meaning with. To use money or time is to spend.
用，
Has other meanings, such as,
请你用，
please help yourself. Spoken to a guest when food, tea, candy, is placed before him. 6.
话，要，爱，
Signifies unwillingness. Sometimes an
啊，
sound is added to the
嗯
CB8 in the dialogue. This
啊，
is used to make the
嗯
sound less harsh.
啊，你去，再见，
No, you go ahead, I don't want to go. So long.
话，
An
爱，
are frequently used interchangeably to express the idea of wish, want. As a general rule, however,
爱，
almost always expresses a manifestation of one's heart, feelings, affections, desires.
话，
Is used to express simple future or a simple intention without the strong desire that
爱，
implies. Practice in listening plus a knowledge of the context will gradually enable us to know the meaning of
话，
an,
爱，
a.
我爱去，
I like to go, I want to go. Can also mean, I need to, must, go.
我要去，
I will go, I am going. I may be very willing to go, but not necessarily so. C.
伊讲要啉咖啡，无爱啉茶，
He says he will drink coffee, he does not want to drink tea. In C,
话，
is simple intention or stating a simple fact. Here,
无爱，
can mean he simply does not want to drink tea right now, but it can and often will mean he never touches the stuff. D.
我真爱食饭，
I love rice.
真爱，
Manifest strong desire, equals I like very much. E.
我真无爱食饭，
I can't take rice at all. Strong dislike. F.
老师爱伊的学生，
The teacher loves her students.
爱，
Can mean love.
话，
Is never translated as love. B.
你爱去台北无？
Do you feel like going to Taipei? Do you like to go to Taipei?
我真无爱去台北，
I very much dislike going to Taipei.
我无爱去，
I don't want to go.
爱，我真爱去，
I want to go very much.
恁要去台北无？阮无要去台北，阮毋去台北，
C.
你要来台中无？
Are you coming to Taichung? The speaker is in Taichung, talking on the phone to one in Taipei.
话，我要去台中，
Yes, I am going to Taichung.
无，我无要去台中，
No, I am not going to Taichung.
啊，我毋去台中，
No, I am unwilling to go to Taichung. C.
你有要来无？
Are you coming?
要，我要去，
Yes, I am going.
无，我无要去，
No, I'm not going.
无爱， 我無愛去。
No, I don't want to go. Note:
有無
to form a question
有
need not be translated. It is only the sign of a question. Note that, to answer a question with,
未
the answer yes is usually translated by,
未
and no by,
無
or,
無愛
not.
無未
D.
你愛寫字無
Do you want to write characters?
愛我愛寫字
Yes, I want to write.
無愛我無愛寫字
No, I don't want to write. Note that, we usually do not use
有
together with
愛
to ask a question. But to ask a question using,
真愛
we should use.
有
Note also that, to answer a question containing,
愛
we say,
愛
or,
無愛
we do not answer.
無
In such a case,